Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for November 24th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving at Our House by P.K. Hallinan. I'm glad for Thanksgiving. It's a wonderful day to count all the blessings that friends bring our way. First, there's my family. We're friends tried and true, and every Thanksgiving our friendship shines through. We nibble on pancakes as we watch the parades. We dress up like pilgrims and Indian braves. And we like to pitch in with the Thanksgiving meal, from carrying berries to carting off peels, and we keep a close eye on the whipped cream and pie. Then come my playmates. What a wonderful crew of happy companions, and so comical too. We like to go hiking in the brisk morning breeze. We dive into piles of colorful leaves. And sooner or later we're certain to play a game of touch football, running every which way. And when we're all done, we collapse from the fun. Then I have neighbors, my friends on our street. We usually bring them some treats they can eat. It's warming to see how they light up and smile, then invite us inside to chat for a while. But with eyes on the clock, we go back down the block. And soon come my relatives, great friends one and all. Happy Thanksgiving, we cheerfully call. Then our living room reels with hilarious squeals till we race to our places for the Thanksgiving meal. And it never is long before we break into song. Later that day, as we're saying goodbye, there's one final friend who catches my eye. My trusty dog Rusty is sitting at my feet, impatiently waiting for a Thanksgiving treat. But I know he's been fed, so I pet him instead. Yes, Thanksgiving offers some wonderful ways to appreciate friendships that brighten our days. So I'm grateful for blessings that just never end, but mostly I'm thankful for family and friends. The end. We're going to make a rocking turkey, and your craft to go kit is from Oriental Trading. It includes instructions, so we want to put those aside to follow those. You'll have a brown paper plate, some feet. I don't know if you can see that. Feet. Double-sided adhesive squares. And then foam wings and head. And foam leaves. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and poke out all the foam parts, which should be really quick and easy. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So we have rainbow leaves, or not leaves, sorry, feathers. And we have a head, 2 wings, and 2 feet. Now the next thing we're going to do is fold the plate in half so that the brown is on the outside. It's a little bit tricky do it as neatly as you can and as evenly as you can. And then crease it. Make sure it's all, and see how it rocks? That'll be your turkey. Next thing we're going to do is stick the feet on the bottom. So peel off the backing of the foam. Stick the feet on. It's 1 foot, 2 feet. And then we're going to put on the wings and the head with the foam adhesive. So I want the head to go right in the middle. So stick that down and peel the top off. That's the tricky part. This one's ripped. Got the other part. Let's stick the head on. Then we'll stick the wings on here and here. There's one wing. Peel the back off. Oops, keep ripping them. And here's the second wing. Then we want to flip it over. We're going to stick our feathers on. We want the pointy part to go on the top. And we want to stick them on so that the white side is showing so that we see color when we flip it over. Okay, so I'm going to start with the middle. I'm going to start with the side. I'm going to start with red. And I stick it on the front there. Red and orange. Doing mine in rainbow order. This one's yellow orange. This one's yellow yellow. And light green. Dark green. Got 2 blues and a purple. Blue. Just enough room for my last one, but I can't find another adhesive. There's one adhesive short. Okay, see if I have any in my drawer. I found it. It was stuck to the back of the blue. You should have just enough foam adhesive to do all the parts. Stick that on. Open that up. And there's my rocking turkey. Gobble, gobble.